Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Today I am going to show you how to make a mark sheet for students in Microsoft Excel. So the first thing which you need to do, select first few cells and click merge and center. This is to write the educational institution name. Then serial number and ID of the student, his name, marks in subject 1, subject 2, subject 3. Let's say this is physics and mathematics and English. Total marks, and then percentage, and grades. Serial number 1, 2, 3. This will make a series of the numbers. Then take your mouse pointer at this right bottom and drag it for 10 students or the number of students you have. Now write some IDs if you like. Then name, and marks in physics, mathematics and English. Now the total marks. Let's first change the style, make it centralized, all of it, and then change the font color if you like, and the back color, give it some border. You can do all of these things by right clicking and then going to the option format cells. There you can do all of these things like changing its border and filling it with some color, then font style, alignment, etc. Font's color is not visible, so I'm gonna make it a little bold. Okay, so now the total marks. Easy way to do it is just select these subject marks and then click the auto sum. That will give you the formula, which is equal to sum from E3 to G3, 3 colon G3. This is E3 containing the physics marks, and this is G3 containing the English subject marks. Okay, so this is how you can do it. Just press enter, then take your mouse pointer to the right corner and drag it. Now if you write marks for the next student here, you will see the result. Now percentage. So let's suppose that total marks for these 3 subjects is 150, equal to 1 H3 contains the total marks, right? This is H3. So h3 divided by the total marks 150. Press enter, then take your mouse pointer to the right corner and drag this one. Now right click, go to format cells and check the option number, then percentage. Okay, let's check this one again. Percentage is going to multiply the cell value by 100 and displays the results with a percent symbol. Decimal place is 2. I don't want decimal places, so it's just 0, and then OK. Now about the grade, I'm going to use a bit different formula for grades, that is equal to lookup. Lookup what? Lookup the total marks. Total marks are in which cell? H3, that is. Okay, so look up H3, then we will define a range. The minimum numbers student can get is 0, then 50, and then 100. Okay, close this one. Now about the result vector. If the student is getting marks from 0 up to 49, he will get C grade. If a student is getting marks from 50 to 99, he will get B grade. And if he is getting marks 100 or more than 100, then his grade will be considered A. We are assigning this grade to him. Close this bracket, close the parenthesis, and then press enter. Now drag this one, and now let's give them some good marks. 46 and 43. This one is A. 12, 34 and 5, that is B. So this is working all right. I'm going to make another video to show you the exact use of lookup function. So bye for now. If you have any question or you want some problem of yours to be solved, kindly write in comments. I'm going to respond to them. Bye bye.